Hi, I'm Jill Bombaci, and welcome to Keeping It Simple with Rexton. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of a first fit. Fitting hearing aids shouldn't be complicated. That's why Rexton makes it simple. A first fit can be performed in just a few quick and easy steps. Before getting started, be sure to charge the hearing aids for at least 15 minutes. Remove the hearing aids from the charger and wait 6 seconds for the hearing aids to power on. Be sure the appropriate programmer is selected. Use the NOAA Link Wireless to program all Bluetooth-enabled hearing aids, like Reach Rix and Reach Rugged BTEs. Use the Connex Air to program the iNock CICLI and all other non-Bluetooth hearing aids. Next, click Detect Hearing Aids. Select New Fitting and click OK. The Acoustical Parameters tab will open. Use the drop-down menu under Coupling Type and Mold Type to select the appropriate ear tip ear mold options for each ear. Next, select the Fitting Formula tab and choose the fitting formula and experience level. We recommend fitting to experienced to meet target and match real ear measurements easily. Then, click First Fit. Be sure to run My Voice, if available, as part of your first fit so the wearer experiences a natural sound quality when hearing their own voice, enhancing overall comfort and satisfaction with the hearing aids. Make sure you click Disconnect at the lower left. Then click the X at the upper right to exit Connex. And that's it. Your first fit is complete. Thanks for watching Keeping It Simple with Rexton. And be sure to explore our other Rexton video learnings. Until next time.